Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on how to make these Pom Pom shoes. So you're going to start off with a regular pair of shoes. Of course, you guys can use any shoe in the entire world that you want. These happen to be black pumps that I really like, and I got them for like 19 bucks. So you're going to take two little clips. I work in hair, so that is why I have these clips. You can get them at a local beauty supply. You only need two for like life. And then you're going to start off with the little pom poms that you want to use. I'm going to be using these off these necklaces that I sell at Shop Lululemon. These are my own personal ones. Don't think that these are actually the ones that I'm selling you guys, but I do have them actually on sale right now. So you're going to just take off the brooch part. You can get a brooch from literally anywhere if you just wanted to use a regular brooch. And then you're just going to clip that little clip on your shoe, and then you're just going to slide in where it connects. Like the little part that connects. So you're just going to slide that right on. There you go. And then on the other shoe, I'm going to show you how to connect it first, and then you just slide that right on the shoe. And it's as simple as that. You could literally use any two brooches that you want in the world if they match or if they complement each other well. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday. I have a blog on Saturdays where I do fashion posts, and I have a blog on Wednesdays where I do reviews on products, and then on Sundays I have my vlog. Thank you guys again. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.